I want to talk about the confusion between the long vowel E and the short vowel A. Live is live, is pronounced with a short vowel A. Leave is pronounced with a long vowel E. Live, live, live here now. I live in Lagos. If you would like to improve your pronunciation, you can send me a message via WhatsApp or my email xmindexpress@gmail.com. Today we will be reciting rhymes with the consonant G. So we have two poems here, Grandma's Favorite Gown and Good So Fine. Listen. Grandma's favorite gown, pink, white, brown. Pink, not pink. Pink, white, brown. Grandma's favorite gown, pink, white, brown, all the way down. The consonant is in grandma and gown. Good, so fine. The goat is black. Yes, it's black. The goat is fine. Yes, it's fine. The goat is black and fine. And it's mine. Yes, it's mine. So these are the two rhymes today with the consonant G. Next week we will reciting rhymes with the consonant H. So remember, Leave, leave, and Live, live. Sit, sit, and Seat, sit. I've been expecting your messages. Bye.